Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on this jollof rice recipe. If you want to see how I cook this delicious jollof rice, please keep watching. Here are the ingredients I used: onion, my meat stock, chicken stock rather, tomato pepper mix, pepper, just peppered, oil. I use rapeseed oil. Then these are my ingredients, my seasoning rather. And this is my rice. I use par excellence rice for this recipe. I love using par excellence rice for my jollof rice. First of all, I'm putting in my onion into my hot oil and allow it to saute for about 2 minutes for the aroma to come up. Then I'm going in to pour in my pepper mix, my tomato pepper mix, and stir it in. I didn't use sachet tomato, what do you call tomato puree for this recipe because this tomato pepper mix is just like tomato puree. There's a different way I make it. I'll do a video on how I make this mix and post. Then I poured in my pepper because I like extra pepper in my food. Then here I'm pouring in my seasoning. That's after the pepper had fried for a bit. I poured in my seasoning, comparison of curry, thyme, bay leaf, salt. I allowed it to simmer for a while, then poured in my stock. I allowed it to simmer for a while. I'm sure some people wonder that I thought that you do makeup videos. Yes, I do makeup videos, but I also love cooking. And I decided, since I love cooking, okay, why don't I just do show some of my recipes on YouTube? That's why I'm doing this. So once in a while, you'll be seeing some of my videos on cooking. Then I poured in water and allowed it to boil. Now I'm pouring in my washed rice. I don't pre-cook my rice or parboil my rice when I'm doing jollof. I allowed it to boil. I just wash it. Then I poured it in and stirred. Now I'm putting in onion. I love the flavor of onion, so I love putting onion in jollof rice. It gives another flavor actually. I have different ways of cooking jollof rice. This is just one of it. Maybe I will do another video on my other method of cooking jollof rice. Now I'm stirring in. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I do makeup videos and once in a while food tutorials as well. And please don't forget to comment, like, share. That's it. This is the finished look of my jollof rice. So tell me, will you be trying out my recipe? Let me know in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.